Good morning children, Saira. Welcome to this session. Today we are going to revise the lesson number 3, the mountain that ate people. Already we have finished with the lesson. Now we will do some textual exercise and revise the grammar part of this lesson. Lesson number 3. Okay. Now let us revise. The farmer's mother was a brave woman. Major Kompa will eat some rice. Gayatri bought 6 oranges and 5 apples. This pencil box is mine. You can see the words, some of the words are highlighted with red in color. The highlighted words are called what? Adjectives, because they qualify the nouns that follow them. You all know after an adjective it will be followed with a noun. Just qualifying the noun. Brave woman, 5 apples, some rice, this pencil. So that is the highlighted words are called as adjectives. Okay, hope we are clear with this. Now let us see the kinds of adjectives. Main, what are the 4 kinds? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective. Okay, adjective of quality means, example what is given in your textbook, see, brave, fast, dark, scary, all these will come under quality. Adjective of quantity, some, enough, little, any, etc. will come under adjective of quantity. Number, 5, 6, 100, dozen, all this will come under adjective of number or numeral adjective. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those, only these 4 will come under demonstrative adjective. You have to add this topic for unit test. Hope you are very thorough with this, but let me revise and we will do some of the textual exercises. Okay, shall we start with the first exercise, children? Okay, underline the adjectives in these sentences. Mention what kinds are they. There may be more than one adjective in some sentences. Okay, first sentence, what a cruel feudal lord he was. Now you can, shall we mark? Okay. What a cruel feudal lord he was. This cruel as well as feudal, both are adjective of quality. What are they? Adjective of quality. Okay, next one. That room is where the farmer hid his mother. Which room? That room. So that is what? Demonstrative adjective. That is what? Demonstrative adjective. Third one, the farmer crossed the dismal forest. Which forest? Dismal. So it is adjective of quality. Understood how to do? So if you have your textbook, you can mark it, or else you can write it in your classwork notebook or any notebook. Okay. What a cruel feudal lord he was. Cruel as well as feudal, both are adjective of quality. That room is where the farmer hid his mother. Which room? That room. So that is what? Demonstrative adjective. The farmer crossed the dismal forest. Dismal is what? Adjective of quality. Understood? Shall we go to the next? Okay. We'll do the next. The farmer helped his mother down to the stony ground. What is this here? Which ground? Stony. So this one is your adjective. Stony is adjective. Adjective of quality. Okay. Get a narrow pipe with 7 bends. Narrow is adjective of quality and 7 is what? Numeral adjective of number. So narrow is adjective of quality and 7 is numeral adjective of number. Okay. Many days went by but no one could see it. Think of a correct answer in this. Many is what? Many is adjective of quantity and correct is adjective of quality. Okay. Many is adjective of quantity and correct is adjective of quality. Shall we go to the next? Okay. The feudal lord praised the farmer and gave him lots of money and lovely present. Feudal is what again? Feudal is adjective of quality. Okay. Then what is the other one? Lots of money, adjective of quantity. And lovely present, adjective of quality. Okay, 3 are here. Feudal is adjective of quality, lots is adjective of quantity, and lovely is adjective of quality. Okay, children. Now 8th one. Next, make an ordinary drum and put some bumblebees inside it. Ordinary is what? Ordinary is adjective of quality. Okay. And some is what? Adjective of quantity. Understood? Adjective of quantity. So in the 7th one, the feudal is adjective of quality, lots is adjective of quantity, and lovely is adjective of quality. Make an ordinary drum and put some bumblebees in it. Ordinary is quality and some is adjective of quantity. Hope you understood, children. So if you have your notebook, you can write it down in your notebook. Shall we go to the next? Okay. Complete the sentences with adjectives of the types mentioned in the brackets. There are dash people at the fairground. So quantity. You can write even 100 or 10 people. You can write 1000. Anything you can write. So there are many people also you can write. So there are many people in the fairground. Do you think that Ferrari make dash cars? Any quality. You have to write about quality. So you can write good cars. The floods have demolished at least dash houses in this area. So hundreds of houses in this area. Any number also you can write. Okay. Shall we go to the next? The dish has dash flavors. It is adjective of quality. You can write any flavor. So I have written here spicy flavor. Dash walls were built during a battle in 1813. So you have to write demonstrative. I told you demonstrative means this, that, these, those. So walls, it is plural. So either you have to write these or those. Okay. Because it is plural over here, you have to use only these or those. So you can write either these or those. Dash chili would have made this curry perfect. Some chili, you can have any quantity you can write for adjective of quantity. Understood, children? If you have your textbook, you can write it down in that. Okay. Now shall we go to the next? Yes. This is a small activity, children. Let us do underline the adjectives. Now in this, you have to underline the adjectives. Let us see what all the adjectives is. Now let us underline. Okay. Now in the class I would have asked you all to do. Okay. Now we'll see books, ball, yummy, slow. In this, which are all adjectives? Is book an adjective? No. Ball? No. They are all nouns. So what are the adjectives? You tell me. Yummy and slow are adjectives. Okay. In next line. Long, small, old, girl. 4 words are given. Long, small, old, girl. So in this, long, small, old. All 3 are adjectives, isn't it? Next one. Mouse, car, cat, circle. All the 4 are not adjectives, isn't it? All 4 are nouns. Mouse, car, cat, circle. So they are not adjectives. Shall we go to the next? Okay. Yes. What is the first line? Fast, tall, loud, tiny. Tell me. Fast, yes. Tall, loud, tiny. All 4 are adjectives, isn't it? Next line. Cool, no, delicious, cool, home and box. Which are adjectives here? Delicious, yes. Cool, yes. Home, no. Box, no. So these 2 are adjectives. Large phone, salty cake. Large as well as salty. Okay. So large and salty. Okay. Next word. Speedy, low, dog. And what is the next one? Bird over here. Baby. Okay. Which 2 are there? Now it will be speedy and low. These two are adjectives. So what was the first one? Fast, tall, tiny, all four, isn't it? Next one, delicious as well as cool. Next one, large and salty. Okay. Now, in this I am giving a small homework for you all. You have to make sentences. In the first line, take any one adjective, either fast or tall, and take this word and make one sentence. I'll give you an example. There was a loud noise. So loud I've used in a sentence. So you have a tiny. You can take any one word of one adjective and make one sentence. Tiny. There was a tiny insect in my house. Like that, one from each line you have to take one adjective and frame 4 sentences. Take the word delicious or take the word cool and make one sentence. Or take next line, take the word large or take the word salty and you have to make one sentence. And speedy or low. Any one word you take of adjective and make one sentence of your own. Either takes the first line, you have to take one adjective. I've underlined the adjective from this page only. Okay. I've underlined the adjective. You can take any one adjective and frame one sentence. Second line, either delicious or cool. Take one word and frame one sentence. Large and salty. Take any one of it and frame one sentence. Or take speedy and low and frame one sentence. Understood, children? This is a small homework for you. You have to frame 4 sentences using any one of the adjective from every line. Okay, understood? This you can do for revision. In your rough book you can do. Okay, shall we go to the next one? A small homework I have given. Make sentences with the adjective given. An example I have given as obedient. Raj is an obedient boy. So like this you have to make sentences. Faithful, use the words faithful in your sentence. Massive in your sentence. If you don't know the meaning, you have to see the meaning and then you have to write. Okay, use a dictionary or you can search in the Google and see the meaning of it and then frame the sentence. Wonderful, jealous, courageous. Okay, these are the words. You have to frame 5 sentences with this. Hope you all understood, children. Hope this was interesting. So we will see in the next video. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye-bye.